Our Dutch Flemish design today. A botanical mix in a rambling form. How hard was this to do?
With your example, it made it a lot easier.
Oh, here's a pretty one. This is a full blooming bush. How hard was this one to do? You seem to whip through it.
I loved it.
It's quite glamorous.
This was, by, what is this, the fourth day?
Uh-huh.
It's getting a lot easier.
Tell us about yours. Very pretty. This is supposed to look like a Dutch Flemish painting. Old European look. Rambling garden. Mixed garden of botanical. Well, there's a kale right there. That's yarrow, hypericum berry. Yes, kale. Hydrangeas, Queen Anne's lace, stock. Very nice. This would be beautiful, I said, that in like a French restaurant at the sign-in table. Or in the Hamptons at the bottom of your staircase next to the patio doors to the pool party happening. Flower School 101. This is in Carlsbad, California.